Hello, fellow Stovians! It's I, Stove 180 here. And it's that time of year again! Halloween! It's just around the corner!
Happy Halloween.
But you're short on money. Well, you're in luck, because here are some cheap, punny, DIY Halloween costumes that will knock their socks off and make them laugh. Yeah. Oh, for this costume you will need a white t-shirt, a circular lid, yellow construction paper, devil horns, tape, pen or marker, and scissors, and optional, a red cape. But if you have one, that would be awesome. Lay down the yellow piece of paper. Now, lay your round lid on top of the paper and trace it with your marker or pen. Now that you have the circle trace, begin to cut it out. Lay down the white shirt where the front shows and put the yellow circle right down in the middle of the shirt. A piece of tape, tape the yellow circle to the shirt. Now, wear the shirt, the devil horns, and the cape.
Hey!
For this costume, you will need a pair of black pants, a black shirt, a black snow beanie, and a hello my name is name tag. That's not enough name tags. Now that's enough name tags, baby. Now time to write a bunch of names on these name tags. Well, let's make them honey names. Bend over. For this costume, you will need a cereal bag, scissors, a pen, or marker, or a fake knife, or a fake chainsaw. Whichever one you want to use. But never, ever, ever use a real knife. No. Burn. Walking around during Halloween with a real knife is dangerous. You could hurt yourself or somebody else. Don't even try it. Use a fake knife. Okay, to begin your serial killer costume, cut out circles for the eyes and a big circle for the mouth. Well, this is the part where I have to put it on my head and then mark on there with a marker where my mouth and my eyes are gonna be. You don't want to leave this on your head or you will die. That's a warning.
Warning.
You want to take it off immediately after marking it. Warning.
Warning.
You don't want to die. Here I go. You will need a shirt. Either print out a Route 66 sign or draw one on a piece of paper. But add an extra 6. Tape and scissors. Now cut out the Route 666 sign. Now tape the sign to the shirt. Now you are done. For this costume, you will need a shirt, newspaper, and tape, and a jacket. Now tape news articles all over the shirt. Place the articles like so. And now tape them to the shirt. For the next costume, remove this jacket. For this costume, either with a red marker, write the word fake on the newspaper, or print out the word fake and tape it to the newspaper. And now you have fake news. Now for the next costume, put the jacket back on. Now you have fake news flash. I hope you got some great costume ideas, and if you put any twists on those ideas or have any other punny costume ideas, leave your comments down in the description below. And if you go to any Halloween parties this year, stay safe and please don't drink and drive. I don't want anyone to get hurt. And I will see you soon with another video. And it is coming soon, I promise. That's all, folks. Well, not all the way all. Here are some more videos. Click on those. Here's one on the left that I think you will like. Here's one on the right that YouTube thinks you will like.
I wanna do right, nearly like a food fight. Hear me, I can prove sight, reflected on the moonlight. I wonder what my tune's like, I wonder what the boom's like. Sitting in a gloom light, no good, I would go back, do it again. My friend, then trim, Jason, my back, racing, my pack, my kin. I'm back again, it's Matt, we win.